Hello, this video walk you through the steps in booking an Octoist driver. Click the plus button, pull down the job category to select your routes. Then pin your pickup districts, date and period of pickup time. Finally, leave a short description, like how many passengers and any special requests, for example, if you need a baby seat, so those drivers responding to your booking know if they fit your request. Once you submit your booking, when drivers on the left screen respond, you will see their request immediately on your app. You can choose by looking their profile and price. When you pick a driver, you have to pay first, but the payment will not go to the driver. It will be held on the app. In case of any situation happened, you will get full refund. Once payment is gone successfully, you will be connected with the driver by an in-app chat. When you actually meet the driver, open the in-app scanner to scan the driver's QR code to begin the ride. Just like that. When you get to your destination, be remembered to open the scanner again to scan driver's QR code to complete the ride. Finally, rate the driver. That will be a great help for other travelers to make a wise choice.